summary. I use AI to generate it, but I've gone through the research purposes. So basically, the research purpose is just me going online and going to, so basically what I did was I took the transcript of the system from this kind of research. So I went online and did some transcripting. So this is the video I used. The video, so South African Soda Tier List by someone called Henrik. Henrico, H for Ham, E for Echo, N for November, R for Rico, I for India, Q for Queen, U for Umbrella, E for Echo, South African Soda Tier List, that's basically why I did soda, soda pop, and then we did, then I go back again, then I went to, I went to find other things, including how to make how to make beans and yam porridge, which is this video by Rosie Kitchen. Rosie Kitchen. This is a woman. I don't even know her name, but she's so beautiful. Thank you, Rosie. Rosie's Kitchen One. She's I'm Rosemary. Yes, so my mom follows, so I'm going to go to her. Rosemary. She's very infamous. She got a voice, but she's famous. She's my mom uses it. And then I went to. Yeah, basically I don't went back to here. So this is another one. This is by Rosemary because I don't trust it. Another one, basically that's a rice pudding. So we got African food, we got beans and rice, and we got rice, jollof rice. So we now go jollof rice. 10 African dishes. Now go to jollof rice. So I can't find jollof rice one. This I found it here. But this is suffering in Algeria. This is actually suffering ontological research. Anyway, you didn't know they're suffering. No, it's not a problem. It's not my problem. I know they're suffering. So but that's what I'm saying. It's kind of annoying. So so I love them to suffer, but this is my ingredients for them. So basically, I got rice 2 kg, £3.60. But I just ordered it, so I'm gonna have this signed off. But I use AI to generate the stuff, which is Copilot. So this is Copilot, but I didn't take all the time to do it. I just copied the transcript and put it in here. So I want to show transcript, which is here. Show transcript of video, and on the video you go to video, like any video you can find, Nnamdi. Yeah, this is what I heard the video. I heard the transcript, and then transcript will give me the ingredients of what I use.
Imagine being able.
So, for example, I use this one here, and so I used AI to do it, but I did it quickly. I did it in time, and I'm not on a deadline. So this is and then oh, so yeah, this is okay. Yep, and I can copy transcript. But this is a system I copy transcript and I put it into the AI system, and then I get the ingredients. But then I can make the food already. I just need the ingredients. So it's just the ingredients I need, and I'll get it. And that's what I needed. So this is a tool, not replacing me. It's not replacing me. It's not replacing me. I'm still here doing my job. If you replace me, just surprise for getting the ingredients, that means it's wrong. But I'm gonna get the ingredients whether I like it or not without AI. But it can't replace me. So it cannot replace me. So I've now got the ingredients, and this is a PDF I have. So this PDF I'm gonna send it now to the wards, to the people here. But I'm not scared. I just put it on YouTube. I just put it on YouTube. So my Gmail is secure. Request. I think it's supposed to start a new email because it's not a attached file. So this is I'm just food and cooking bi-weekly. I can attach this inline documents. So kindly, so I can send it to here, other people here. So mail this kindly. This is a priority group, Serena priority group, Serena, and then I'll put info. This is for data representation, data info, complaints. So I'm gonna use info. I'm gonna use burgers here too. I'm gonna use complaints. Complaints. So just my home. I'm gonna use Claire. Claire. This is I'm gonna use other people here, but I'm gonna have to tag one person outside the person. So what would that be? Citizen advice. Yeah, legal matters. Citizen advice. Yeah, so I don't trust them. So this ingredient. So I need these ingredients to cook. I will be in the kitchen. With my mobile phone. Can I also bring my laptop too? as my headset cable, as my headset is wireless, and I cannot seem to charge. I cannot find my charger to charge it. It is a Type C charger. So please kindly no can you just kind of take this ingredients list and print double copy on an A4 sheet of paper. Keep one for yourself as it requires signing. So done that now. So this is what we can see. You can have to sign here. You can sign something to agree. But there's something to agree on, something not to agree on. Because it's a war, it's not a prison. But just you don't want to put a name, but it's a legitimate document, and this is a template, but it's done. No line. I don't know why I put it there. Line is not really. I don't like line. I love line. But I'll try and put it there and say. So I'm saying to you, it's not a problem for me. Okay, thank you guys. So the rules are here. So thank you guys. So basically, shopping list quantities, black